Right, welcome to day 15 of the series. Sorry for being late because I had a lot of work in the backlog and just got time right now to make a video. And this video is exactly about that. How has my life changed personally or transition from being a student to an employee working? And I feel I'm the perfect example to tell that because I started working exactly 9 months ago. So, a year ago exactly, I was a student, of course, sitting at home thanks to COVID, but I was a student. Before jumping right into it, I'll give you an overview of myself or what I am or what is my work sector. So, to tell that, I'm a product analyst working in an IT sector, a fairly good job, getting paid, nothing's wrong as far as I'm concerned. Of course, it's a campus placement, thanks to my college that I graduated from, everything is fine. Or talking about the topic or reaching into the topic is where I think about myself now and 9 months back, how I thought about myself. So that is where I would like to talk about the transition of a human being from a student life or a free life to a work life to a responsible life. Let me tell you something. I didn't even have time to gather notes for this one because each time I make a video, I do certain kind of preparations. But this time it's already late, so I gotta go after making this video. So here are the four quick ones that I found. The first one is you forget. You forget yourself, you forget your family, you forget your friends, you forget your goals, you forget your ambitions, you forget everything. Which is contrary to what you were while you were a student. While you were a student, you had lots of plans. You wanted to meet your friends, you wanted to spend time outside, you wanted to hang out always. You had ambitions, you had goals. But none of this is in you right now. It's in you right now, but none of this is reminding itself because you're busy, you're working all the time, and you don't have any time to think about this. These are all my personal things. The first thing that happened to me is I started forgetting about the purpose of life, or I just live in front of a computer. To keep it as simple as that. The second one is the frequency of communication between your close ones decreases. The frequency of communication between your friends, between your classmates, between your family, between your relatives. The frequency of communication, not the communication or not the depth of friendship or the depth of communication. The frequency. I suppose while you were a student, if you used to call your friend at least once a week, this should be once a month right now if you're working, or maybe even once a year, or call him only when he or she is in need. That's how it works right now. Because I'm busy, I don't have time to find myself or find that specific time to talk about. On the other hand, you were very free, you had lots of time to communicate, the frequency of communication was very high, you kept enjoying yourself. That's the second takeaway that I can give you. The third one is the most important one. You start craving for leaves, you start craving for holidays. Now, don't get me wrong here because you already started craving for leaves while you were a student as well. You wanted leaves, you wanted holidays, you were always happy with that. But right now, the craving just quadruples because all the time you're stressed, the work pressure hits you, and the only time you can relax is when you get a holiday. You wait for a public holiday, you wait for the weekend only to lay down. Not to roam, not to hang out, but to lay down, to give yourself peace of mind and then get back to work on the Monday. And at times, even these weekends go busy or these holidays go busy because you have a lot of work in the backlog to finish it. So the craving for a holiday also increases as far as my personal craving is concerned. And the fourth one is a positive takeaway. The positive takeaway of learning through experience or the experience or the courage to take life impacting decisions. Because once you start working, you come across a variety of areas, not just variety of people, but variety of areas, variety of industries, variety of departments, variety of teams. And that's when you start thinking about yourself, that's when you start developing on yourself subconsciously. You never know that you're developing yourself until you think about that. But you are developing yourself, and that also provides an impetus to make a life changing decision as far as your career is concerned, as far as your life is concerned, as far as your family is concerned. That's where you make a life changing decision, and the experience of work, the learnings from the work, gives you a chance to be better or gives you this chance to make a life impacting decision. That's one positive takeaway. Having said all of this, Being my subscribers, you can also contribute to this. Find your takeaways, positive or negative, and tell me how life has transitioned from being a student to a workaholic or a non-workaholic or just a random employee in an IT sector company. Having said that, sorry for the poor video quality today. I had no time for preps, I had no time for even taking notes, I did not even have time to script myself. But nevertheless, the video is done. I could convey my message. Thank you. Have a good day or a good night.